Hey guys, this is Matt with Shop E-Z-Go, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear leaf springs on a TXT. Today we're going to be installing the heavy duty leaf springs, which should be used with a bed, seat, or lift kit for your vehicle, but the same installation applies for standard or heavy duty springs.
The first thing you want to do in installation is turn the key to the off position, then engage the parking brake, and then switch the run tow switch to the off position. Now that we have our vehicle lifted and secured, you now can remove the shock absorber and the U-bolts by using a 9/16 socket. You don't have to remove the wheel, but we have for the video purposes.
When removing the shock, hold the upper portion and remove the lower nut. Remove the shock from the holder and retain the hardware for later installation. At this point, you may want to make a note of the U-bolt length. If you have the shorter variety, you may need to purchase the heavy-duty version. The next step is to remove the rear shackle plates using a 9/16 socket and wrench. With our shackle plates removed, retain the bushings and spacers for later installation. If your bushings are worn out, it's a good idea to go ahead and replace them at this time. We're now going to remove the front portion of the leaf spring using a 3/4 inch socket and 9/16 wrench. Now that we have our old leaf spring removed, we can begin installation of our new one in reverse order of removal. When reinstalling your shackles on your leaf springs, it's important to make sure the stud on the spring gets inserted into the hole on the spring mounting plate. Now that we have our driver's side complete, we can repeat the same steps for the opposite side. This now completes the replacement of your rear leaf springs, and if you've installed heavy-duty leaf springs as we have, you're now safe to install a bed, seat, or lift kit on your vehicle.